What if your phone could automatically track your spending, manage your subscriptions, and help you stop wasting money without needing complicated spreadsheets? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use the Emma app in 2026 and why so many people use it to manage their finances more effectively. Emma is a budgeting and personal finance app designed to help you track spending, organize bank accounts, monitor subscriptions, and build better money habits from one dashboard. To get started, download the app and create your account using your email. After signing in, the first thing you'll want to do is connect your bank accounts and cards. Emma securely links to supported banks and automatically imports your transactions so you can see your financial activity in real time. Once your accounts are connected, the dashboard gives you an overview of your balance, spending categories, upcoming bills, and subscription payments. One of the best features is automatic spending categorization. Instead of manually organizing expenses, Emma sorts transactions into categories like food, transportation, entertainment, shopping, and bills so you can immediately understand where your money is going every month. Next, check out the subscription tracking feature. Emma automatically detects recurring payments like Netflix, Spotify, gym memberships, and other subscriptions that many people forget they're paying for. According to users, this feature alone can help save money by identifying subscriptions you no longer need. Another useful feature is budgeting. You can create monthly spending limits for different categories, and the app will notify you when you're close to exceeding your budget. This helps many users stay more disciplined without constantly checking their bank accounts manually. Emma also includes savings tracking, debt monitoring, bill reminders, and investment tracking for users who want a more complete financial overview. One thing users consistently praise is the interface. Compared to many older finance apps that feel complicated or outdated, Emma keeps everything visually simple and easy to understand, even for beginners who have never used a budgeting app before. Many users also appreciate how much financial information becomes visible automatically once accounts are connected, because it removes a lot of manual effort from budgeting. However, there are definitely some downsides you should know before relying on the app completely. Some users report occasional syncing problems with certain banks, delayed transaction updates, and bugs after app updates. Others mention that some of the more advanced features require a premium subscription, and a few users feel the free version is somewhat limited compared to competitors. It's also important to understand that budgeting apps are most effective when you consistently check them and actually follow the financial insights they provide. Overall, if you want a beginner-friendly budgeting app that automatically tracks spending and helps simplify money management, Emma is definitely worth trying in 2026. It's modern, easy to use, and especially useful for people who want better visibility into their subscriptions and daily spending habits without building complicated spreadsheets manually. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which finance or AI app you want me to cover next.